is Harshvardhan. The third contestant is Sukanya. The fourth contestant is Ashu. The fifth contestant is Ahshish Ahir. The sixth contestant is Shivraj Kumar. The seventh contestant is Yaksh. The eighth contestant is Eshita. The next contestant is Megha Parmar. And the last finalist is Shubham. Can we have everyone on stage together now?
Good evening to everyone. You all are looking beautiful. I'll be choosing Divya. Divya, I'll be asking you the question. Okay, take your own time.
Why? Where's the mic?
What is beauty according to you?
Ma'am, beauty is something which I'm comfortable in, like putting up something on my face or on my body, and I'm comfortable in that. That is beauty for me.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'll choose Harshvardhan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. What makes you happy?
Everything. every little thing makes me happy. I live life in pieces, small pieces.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I choose 23. 23.
Thank you, sir.
So, what makes you most uncomfortable?
So, something that whatever I wear, I am comfortable. So,
Uncomfortable.
acha. So, uncomfortable. If someone criticize me, that seems to me that I seem comfortable, uncomfortable.
Okay. It's good. It's good. Number 18. Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
So, what do you want to prove in your life?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What do you think? What worst can happen to you?
I can walk around in a towel in front of hundred of people, like I did today. But I really don't think that anything that bad that happens to me I cannot recover from. A lot of bad things have happened to me in my life, and a lot more bad things will happen in the future. It's all about getting back up on the horse and continuing on with your life with renewed vigor and renewed passion.
Okay, good one.
Eshita.
Everything he believes in humanity, first of all. He never cheats, and I also never cheat with anyone.
Good answer. Who is your role model and why?
My role model is.
We'll be handing over your prize. And for Miss Taxila, we have a tie between Miss Divya Pal and Eshita. So you'll have to walk again, and you'll be asked another question. You'll have to walk again. Divya Pal.
But yes, Ritvik, this is going to be after 5 minutes. So we have to wait, right? So judges are coming, so we'll wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, fine.
Number 2. Come in front. Why do you think we should choose you as Miss Taxila?
Right candidate right now because of my dressing and because of my, it's basically on how I walk and what I'm talking, and depends on my answers and how I walk and how I'm dressed right now. So,
That's it.
yeah.
Thank you so
you.
much. 2, yes, 32. What is the mean of ramp walk?
So ramp walk simply shows the attitude of a person, how it's moved by its move only. It depends the positive attitude, and by having
Yes, continue.
a smile on the face, and while walking you should have a proper attitude. Then only your ramp walk can be successful.
That's it. Thank you so much.
Can we have Mr. Taxila also on the stage?
इतने शांति से कोई बताता है क्या रिजल्ट? ओके गाइस, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे मिस्टर तक्षशिला और मिस तक्षशिला के लिए.
Thank you so much, judges.
So now we have the winners on the stage.
Firstly, I would like to thank the Vivo team, to making this occasion more glorious, I would say. It is an honor having you all with us here today, and it was, you guys made it successful for us, the event. So thank you so much for joining us. And now I would like to call